What's up everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be doing a eatable / edible water, also known as an edible water bottle. Okay, so just imagine like taking a water and like trying to chew water or eat water. That won't work actually. So today I'm gonna take you guys like step by step on how to make an edible water bottle. Let's go. So we need 1 gram of sodium alginate. We need 5 grams of calcium lactate. 2 bowls, spoon, is it called spoon cup? Oh, a tablespoon or whatever it's called. We need a cup so we can get some water. And you need the gram machine. Is that what it's called? The gram meter, like to measure how many grams we put in the bowl. How many grams of calcium lactate and sodium alginate. So first we need 1 cup of water. Bam. And 1 gram of sodium alginate. Okay, let's reduce. See? One gram. Yep. Let's mix it up. So let's put that aside. So now we need 4 cups of water. 1, 2, 3. The last cup. So now we will add 5 grams of calcium lactate. Okay. That's 5 grams. And you mix it up. Wow, that was so gentle. So now we'll just use the spoon to like just take some of the sodium lactate and like just kind of like settle them inside the calcium lactate. So now you're just gonna like mix it all around slowly, gently. Okay. Actually, sodium alginate and calcium lactate are edible, so don't be scared, don't be afraid. So good, I can just eat them. But see, like this is so cool. You see that? It's an edible water. When I put it in my mouth, it tastes like it's like something like, I don't know how to explain it. Like it's round, so there's water in it. So when you put it inside your mouth, it bursts and the water comes out, and it's so cool. Yeah, I have more. So this one too. Oh, no, I'm not gonna eat this one. So let's make something more cooler. Like, so let me like. So this is a food coloring. Put it inside the sodium lactate. Sorry, sodium alginate, and this is the sodium alginate and calcium lactate. Yeah. So put it inside the sodium alginate. Okay. So we want to make like a green edible water. Haha. Okay, mix it up. That's green. So take some of it and put it inside. And stir a little bit. Just stir around like slowly, the way we did before. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh, there's one. See that? Oh, he just busted. Damn. Damn. See that? That is so cool. Let me find someone. Oh, another one. Okay, we got another one. See? A green edible oil. Wow. That is so cool. Yo, so that's it for today, guys. And you please make sure you like this video for more amazing DIYs and more amazing videos. Show some love by subscribing to my YouTube channel, and also comment down below and just like how you guys feel and what you guys want to see next. And if you want to make this cool DIY, I'm gonna put a link where you can get the sodium, the calcium lactate, and the sodium alginate. I'm gonna put a link in my description down below to where you can get it. And all you need is these two, 4 cups of water, 1 cup of water, 2 bowls, spoon. Let's just say spoon, a cup for the water. And if you wanna make it cooler too, like what I did, you can get like a food coloring. Yeah, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you all in another amazing video. Thank you so much. Konsamita. Annyeong.